some really heartwarming scenes there, as for the third week running, people across the UK have come out to clap to say thank you to our NHS workers and to all essential workers who are keeping the country going during these extraordinary and difficult times.
Just can't take it. Just can't take it. It's alright. I'm not gonna make it. I'll get my shoes untied. I'm like a broken record. I'm like a broken record. I'm not playing up. Just let go of making it. Take it to me in your head.
I never ever anticipate ever in my life anything like this. It really is amazing.
Walk on through the wind. Walk on through the rain. Though your dreams be tossed and blown.
To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops this time. 2 hops this time. Right foot, 2 steps. Left foot, 2 steps. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Keep moving with it.
And we're watching British Olympic history as Jason Kenny takes the title, and Jason Kenny stands alone in British Olympic history.
A Wembley roar to hail England's history makers.
All I can say is that was absolutely amazing, more than I could have expected. The fire dancers, the lasers, the fireworks, just everything. The soundtrack was just brilliant, and I think it's really lifted everybody's spirits, which is what I wanted to do. The weather is absolutely amazing. It's held out for us considering the gales that we've had, and yeah, I can't be more thankful for you. You've done a brilliant job. Thank you.